everyone, I welcome you all on our channel Doctor's Desk. Myself Dr. Sagar Pushp, ADMO Indian Railways. So today in this video I will tell you what we had already uploaded about the UPSC CMS exam at one place, which will help you in your preparation. So all the playlist I gonna show you about the UPSC CMS exam. So let's see now. Now all of you know that the new tentative dates has come. So that's why I thought why not compile all the videos together at one place, which will help you in your preparation. I'm gonna tell you all the topics which I already covered for you all. I will also tell you about the playlist which includes everything about UPSC CMS one by one. So let's move. And as you know, the UPSC CMS date has come. You will see on the slide the date of notification that the form will come on 7th of July. The last date of the receipt of the application form, it will be the 27th of July. And the date of exam will be 21st of November. So we thought we'll record this for you. So all these are the topics which I had covered in my previous videos, like how to prepare, important topics for UPSC CMS, what is the competition in UPSC CMS, cutoff of last few years, work culture of cadres of UPSC CMS, how to fill detailed application form, what is the salary of UPSC CMS officers, and about the training of RHS officers. So this playlist will not only help you in your preparation, but also help you in you choosing your cadres of UPSC CMS. So I had uploaded work culture of cadres of UPSC CMS and much more about the UPSC CMS. So you can see all the playlist here, and after seeing all these things, you can go to our channel page, that is Doctor's Desk on YouTube, and you can see all these videos. If you all see this playlist, which includes the important topics of each subject, we had collected all these important topics by reviewing the last 5-year paper, and we had collected for you only because all these things we missed during our preparation. So we thought why not we will collect all these things and we'll put all the videos, and it will gonna help you in your preparation. Hope it will help you all. In this playlist of UPSC CMS, you'll get to know everything about UPSC CMS, starting from how to prepare to work culture of every cadre. Soon we'll upload various facilities given to officers of each cadre. In this, we had told what we had filled in our DAF also. So you can see all these videos one by one, and you'll get to know everything about the UPSC CMS. In this playlist of UPSC CMS, from expected cutoff to the competition UPSC CMS, we have uploaded all the videos. We had uploaded everything for you only. We had uploaded video about railways and types of leave for PG and the residence of ADMO in railways. So you can see these videos and enjoy. When you all will clear the CBT exam, then will be called for the interview. For that also we had uploaded video how to prepare for interview. In these videos we had told everything about our experiences. So you can see these videos and will get to know how to prepare for the interview. So this is the most amazing phase of our life in railways, that is the training of IRHS officers. If any of you will get the IRHS cadre, then you all also gonna enjoy a lot. In this playlist, I had uploaded everything about the training phase of IRHS officers. Most amazing that is our Nayana campus, a beautiful place where your training will occur. We had uploaded its campus too, also. So if you see all this video, you're gonna enjoy and you're gonna get to know more about the railways. So hope this will gonna help you all in your preparation. You can follow our page on Insta and FB. You can share, subscribe, and follow our channel. Like this, we're gonna upload various things about various things which will gonna help you in you all in choosing your career after the graduation. Hope you have liked this video, and hope you are you're gonna say you are all are safe and doing well. Thank you. Thanks a lot.